Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the tire pressure using a tire inflator. So here you can see I have a tire inflator of Tata brand which is provided in every Tata vehicle as a free accessory. So here is a pipe which will need to connect to the valve of the tire. First of all, remove the cap from the tire valve. Then attach this car inflator pipe to the valve of your tire. You will need to tighten this by rotating it clockwise. Once it gets tightened, the tire pressure will be displayed on the analog tire inflator meter. So here you can see the tire pressure. So like this way you can easily measure the tire pressure using this tire inflator machine. To check the tire pressure, there isn't any need to connect this device to the power outlet. Directly you can plug in it the valve and you can measure the tire pressure. With the same device you can even inflate the tire, but I will show you that in the next video. So once you have measured the tire pressure, you can remove the connected pipe by rotating it anti-clockwise. If you are not having such tire inflator, then you can buy it online. It is available at very cheap rates starting from 500 rupees to 3000. So depending upon your budget, you can buy it online. If you want to buy, I have provided the links in the description of some of the best tire inflator available online, so you can directly go there and buy. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.